Rust gone? Rust might look like a small problem, but over time, it slowly destroys metal from the inside out, and most people think fixing it requires expensive tools or a mechanic. But what if a simple $3 liquid could remove rust at home, quickly, easily, and without any professional help? Rust doesn't appear overnight. It starts small, almost invisible, and slowly spreads across the surface until one day, the damage becomes serious and much harder to fix, which is why early action makes a huge difference. Scientifically, rust forms when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture. This chemical process never stops on its own, which means unless you interrupt it, the damage will continue to grow over time. Many people try to hide rust using paint, but that only covers the surface. The corrosion underneath continues and eventually comes back even worse, which makes it a temporary solution. But there's a better approach. Instead of hiding rust, you can break it down using a chemical reaction, a simple liquid that reacts with rust and dissolves it from the surface. This method is simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly. You don't need expensive tools or special skills, just a few easy steps that anyone can follow. And the best part, this trick works on multiple surfaces, car parts, tools, metal gates, bolts, almost anything made of metal. However, not all rust is the same. Light surface rust is easy to remove, but deeper corrosion may take more time and multiple applications. One common mistake people make is rushing the process, expecting instant results, but proper rust removal requires patience and consistent application. So now, let's go step by step and see exactly how you can remove rust using a simple liquid without spending a lot of money. The first step is cleaning the surface, removing dust, oil, and loose debris, because if the surface is dirty, the liquid won't be able to react properly with the rust. If needed, you can lightly wash the surface with water, then let it dry completely, because applying liquid on a wet surface can reduce its effectiveness. Next, apply the liquid evenly. Don't use too much, just enough to fully cover the rust. Even distribution is key for consistent results. Within seconds, the reaction begins. You may notice bubbling or a color change. This means the liquid is actively breaking down the rust. Now let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the liquid continues to react with the rust, dissolving it layer by layer. After waiting, gently wipe the surface using a clean cloth or soft brush. There's no need to scrub aggressively. The rust should already be loose. At this point, you'll start seeing results. The rusty surface becomes cleaner and the original metal begins to show through. If some rust remains, don't worry. Simply repeat the process. Multiple applications help remove deeper layers. Step by step, layer by layer, the rust disappears, revealing a much smoother and cleaner surface. Now you have a clean surface, but this is not the final step, because without protection, rust can return again. So next, we'll focus on preventing it. Now here's something most people ignore. Removing rust is only half the job, because if you leave the metal exposed, moisture in the air can slowly bring the rust back again, sometimes even faster than before. That's why protection is just as important as removal, and skipping this step is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. To prevent that, you need to apply a protective layer. This can be a simple coating, or even a thin oil-based protection. What it does is create a barrier between the metal and air, stopping oxygen and moisture from reacting with the surface again. When done correctly, this layer can extend the life of your metal for months, sometimes even years, depending on the environment, especially if the item is exposed to rain, humidity, or outdoor conditions. Now let's talk about something important. Not all rust is the same. Light surface rust is easy to remove, but deep rust that has eaten into the metal may require multiple treatments. Patience is key here. Rushing the process won't give good results. If you're dealing with heavy rust, repeat the liquid application process slowly. Allow it to react, wipe, and then apply again. Each cycle removes another layer until the surface becomes clean. Another mistake people make is using too much liquid at once, thinking it will work faster. But in reality, controlled application works better because it allows the reaction to happen evenly. And remember, always apply the liquid evenly. Missing spots can leave hidden rust behind, which may spread again later, even if the surface looks clean at first glance. Safety is also important. Even simple liquids can irritate your skin, so wearing gloves is always a good idea, especially if you're working for a longer time. Also, make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area. This helps avoid inhaling fumes and keeps the process comfortable and safe. Now, let's look at the result. After proper cleaning and protection, the metal looks almost new, smooth, clean, and completely free from visible rust. This simple method works on many things, not just cars. You can use it on tools, gates, bolts, pipes, and even outdoor furniture, making it a very versatile solution. And the biggest advantage, it saves money. Instead of replacing parts or going to a mechanic, you can fix the problem yourself at home. Most people don't realize that small problems like rust become expensive only when ignored. Early action is always cheaper and easier. This is why learning simple repair tricks like this can make a big difference over time, especially if you own a car or tools. And once you understand the process, it becomes very easy, almost like a routine maintenance step. Rust might look like a permanent problem, but in reality, it can be controlled, reduced, and even reversed with the right approach. The key is consistency, applying the method properly, and protecting the surface afterward. These small steps create long-lasting results. So, next time you see rust forming, don't ignore it. Take action early, and you'll avoid bigger problems later. Because fixing rust early is always easier, cheaper, and more effective than waiting. And now you know, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. All it takes is the right method and a little patience.